QueLoQue. It's Funny Tony with a QueLoQue moment with the Credit Mogul.
Yeah, my name is Marlon Pena. Of course, Credit Mogul. Wow, it started back in 2019. I made some bad choices in life, right? So we all do once in a while, I guess you can say, right? But this one really cost my credit, so that way it was a little bit more personal. No pun intended, personal credit. But it's just like
Let
something
me
that
find out he's a comedian over here too.
I got a little something, something, for the people out there. But
Nice.
yeah, for sure, it's just like yeah, I was always a helpful dude, I was always about, let me help a brother out.
Help me.
Right. So
Help
I had this very good close friend of mine that, I call him like a brother, and we did a lot of work together in the past, and we did a lot of business together. And so one of them actually happened to be, let me co-sign on an offer that he gave me to help him out to get a vehicle.
Okay.
It was a European vehicle. You already know. So we got to keep it flashy a little bit, I guess.
Skirt, skirt.
Yes,
Hanging out,
sir.
what you hanging out the window with your ratchet ass friends? Talking about, hey.
Yeah, man. You know it. But yeah, man. So we did that deal, and it was good for the first couple months, and after that, it just went downhill. And after that, man, forget about it, man. The banks was all on me, man. They were hounding me.
Mm.
You know what I mean? They were calling me, sending me all types of letters to all different addresses I had listed on my report. And they were trying to get a hold of me to make payment, to do good, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
To get back in good standings. And unfortunately, man, that car was repossessed. And when that happened, my man, guess what happened? That came back on my credit and damaged my whole credit, man. I mean, it was crazy.
Yeah.
And then after that, basically, I had to figure it out, to get with some gurus out there. And I met one of them, a good brother. I call him a good brother. He's our own people out there. You know what I'm saying? Looking out for people like us out here. So, you know what I mean? Like he came through for me, gave me the knowledge, gave me the school of hard knocks, I call it. You know what I'm saying? And so basically, I had to learn the ropes. I had to learn from him, and I had to get on board, get serious about making these changes. So
Okay.
then that's when I started really, like, getting tougher and stronger. I'm talking about like Incredible Hulk strong, man. You know what I
Okay.
mean? And yeah, man. After that, I was able to knock him out, man. Thanks to his skills and his trademark that that he left the trail for me to follow through, basically. And
Okay.
I was able to do it for my family. For the fam, I had to look out for the fam. I had to look out for the homies.
Mhm.
I mean, and then after that, it became a business, man. It took off from there.
Okay. Okay.
No.
All right. So I had posted to my story asking people whether they think credit's important.